In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a general ledger account to your chart of accounts, and in particular, how to add expense accounts. So to do this from any role center, you need to search for chart of accounts. And this is going to give your current list and the current balances of your general ledger accounts and your entire chart of accounts. So if we scroll all the way down to the expenses or overheads, we can see that they're listed here. And we're going to add a general ledger account for insurance and one for marketing. So to add these, at the top you select new, type the number in that you want for the general ledger account, so we'll say 7,500, and we're going to call this marketing. It belongs on the income statement, which is the profit and loss essentially. The account category will be expense, and then just select from a subcategory that suits. So in this one it will be advertising expense. Now that's how you fill the header in under general. Under posting, you need to decide whether it's a purchase or sale account. Well, in this case, marketing is a purchase account. This setup is also going to assume that you do not do any international trading. So this is purely for domestic companies that only trade within the same country. So for the general business posting group, you're going to always select domestic. The general product posting group isn't that important, so just set it to miscellaneous. The VAT business posting group, I advise that you leave this blank. Now leaving this blank means that if you use the bank reconciliation feature and you apply a payment directly from bank reconciliation, it's not going to claim any VAT back. So I advise that you leave this one blank. It's going to default probably to domestic, but make sure it's blank. The VAT product posting group must match the actual VAT that you want to apply to this nominal. So for insurance, for example, I would set this to non-vatable, because insurance is outside this. Oh no, this is marketing, sorry, excuse me. So marketing would just be set to standard. So a standard 20%. And that is all that is required to create a new general ledger account. So that's marketing set up. So if we go back and take a look, we can see that marketing's now appeared here. So I'm going to set another one up now. So I'm going to set insurance up. So again, I select new, and I'm going to have 7,800 for my general ledger account. Descriptions insurance, it again is appearing on the income statement. The category will be expense again. The subcategory will be insurance expense. Don't worry too much about these categories, just try and find the one that best fits. If you can't find it, just put it in the other income and expenses. But the insurance is pretty obvious, it's an insurance expense. Again, it's a purchase account. It's a domestic posting group for the business posting group. The general product posting group again is miscellaneous. I'm going to remove the VAT business posting group, and the insurance for the VAT product posting group for the insurance will be non-vatable because it's outside the scope of VAT in this particular case. So again, I've just added the insurance. So just to confirm, you need to add the number, the name, select whether it's income or balance, select the account category and subcategory. These aren't actually required, it's just an additional reporting feature. You need to select the general posting type, the business posting group, the general product posting group, leave the VAT business posting group blank, and select the correct VAT product posting group. Now this one is important, so just make sure you look through here and just select the correct one. So that is how you add new general ledger accounts, and in particular for expense. If you want to add these for balance sheets, such as asset accounts, etc., you do use the same method, slightly different settings. If this is something that you want to do, just feel free to give someone at the garage, one of the Garage Hive team a message, and we'll help you out. Thank you.